This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25 DBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features a HEARTHSTONE interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, auxiliary battery, water heater, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, awning, air conditioning, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25 DBE is 6,230 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.